Happy Sunday, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are talking about restoration hardware. I know you guys are probably wondering, why are you doing so many restoration hardware videos? The reason why is because when I was trying to find my cloud couch, for those of you guys who are new to my channel, I think I said this on one of my other restoration hardware videos, I couldn't find anything about the cloud couch. I found stuff about how to find dupes and make other couches seem like the cloud couch, but I didn't see anything actually talking about the cloud couch. So that's why I'm doing quite a few videos on Restoration Hardware's cloud couch, because I couldn't find anything. So I want people who are buying the couch, kind of like mine, or have some type of idea of, you know, what it's like, what's it like to have for a period of time, the cost and that's what I'm doing today actually, is the cost of replacing the pillow covers. I wasn't sure if I decided to do a little experiment and say, let me see if I wash one of them. I didn't wash it yet, but how much would it cost if I completely ruined the cover, or I couldn't get a spot out, or a professional company couldn't get a spot out? How much would it cost to replace the covers? So I thought you guys would really want to know about that, for those of you guys who are interested in this couch and those of you guys who already have it, because it took me a little bit to get the information. Now, I called Restoration Hardware about just finding out pricing on if I wanted to replace some of the, not the inside down, but the outside covering. The accent pillow casing for my couch, mine is the 8-inch Cloud Track couch in Army Duck. And if you're a member, it would be $90 plus tax and shipping. They didn't say how much shipping would be, but I'm assuming it's their regular shipping and handling based on how much your item costs. It's not their just $200 flat fee shipping. Then the set of back casings would be $307 plus tax and shipping. And then the entire seat casing for the cushion for the track couch of the 8-inch would be $371. To me, this was amazing, because I'm like, oh, so if I just wanted to try and wash one of the small ones to see if it works, if it completely ruins it, I'm not going out spending another few $1,000s on a new couch. No, it's $90. So I thought you guys might want to know that. My couch is holding up very nicely, and we still love it. Oh, and I found out something else from one of my viewers who just started working at Restoration Hardware. She's really nice. Based on her comment, she told me about Folex. Folex is something where it's an instant carpet spot remover. And she said this isn't coming from Restoration Hardware, by the way. This is just her. So don't want to get her in trouble. Great spot remover. I used it and I tried it on our stools, our bar stools. Amazing spot remover. I'm definitely going to try this on the cloud couch. So this is amazing. And thank you so much to my viewer who gave me this good tip that I did not know about. So yeah, that's about it, you guys, for this Sunday video. I know it was quick, but I really thought you guys would want to know that, because I really wanted to know it. It is raining. I don't know if you can hear that. It is coming down. So thank you guys so much for watching again. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, relaxing. And if you're like me, I'm waiting for Westworld to come on. Oh my gosh, love Westworld. And yeah, oh, by the way, I told you guys I was getting my tooth pulled. I got it pulled. I was fine. I didn't have to go under. I only had some local anesthesia and it came right out. No cracking, no particles. But yeah, I feel the gaping hole in my tooth in the back or in my mouth. So I haven't been able to eat anything hot. It's been 4 days. So probably by a weekend, I'll be able to eat hot stuff and go back to some good food, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. Small update, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.